time has come. Finally trying out, say, Capital City's Mouth Mambo Sauce. It's supposed to be really popular in like the DC area. So we're gonna try it out. Got some Chick-fil-A nuggets, some waffle fries, waffle. I'm not gonna try a little dab of this. I'm just gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it on. It's on there. Let's try it out. Man. That's really good. I can douse this whole thing with this. Smother it. My goodness. That's all the ingredients in here? Tomato concentrate from red tomatoes, distilled vinegar, wheat, soybeans, water, sugar, corn syrup, salt, spice, onion powder, garlic powder, natural flavoring. But why does it taste amazing? Look at that. Man. Almost similar to like the Polynesian sauce of Chick-fil-A, but it's not like strong. It like makes you want more and more. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Man, let me know if you tried this Mambo Sauce before. Let me know what else to throw it on. I feel like I'm gonna throw this on every single thing. Because it's a little sweet, but it's not too sweet. I don't know how to explain it. It's really good. Good job. Very good job. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.